Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting core tools installed. Git for Windows and GitHub Desktop, and sign into your GitHub account so your machine can push commits. Once done, you configure identity. Run git config global user. Name and user. Email to ensure commits link to you. You should also decide SSH versus HTTPS now, because that choice affects auth steps later. If you pick SSH, generate a key pair, and add the public key to GitHub so future pushes are seamless. Next, you bring a repo down and start working. Clone with git clone or use GitHub Desktop. Pick a sensible local path so files are easy to find. Then create a feature branch with git checkout B to isolate work, because branches keep history clean and reviewable. Make edits, stage changes with git add, and commit with descriptive messages that explain why, not just what. Once ready, run git push origin feature /name so your branch appears on GitHub for a pull request. Finally, open a pull request on GitHub to merge your feature. Add reviewers and a concise description, because context speeds approval. Once continuous integration checks pass, merge the branch and then pull the updated main branch to keep your local repo current. If you encounter failures when pushing or pulling, verify the remote URL, confirm your SSH key or HTTPS credentials, and run git fetch followed by git rebase or git pull rebase to reconcile local and.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.